Every world-class cheese begins right here, because the quality of the milk determines the quality of every single wheel of cheese we produce. Every animal in this facility receives individually tailored nutrition, daily health monitoring by qualified veterinarians.
We run a complete health assessment on every cow before every milking session. You will never discard milk an animal that isn't in process.
Our rotary milking system processes over 500 cows per hour with zero human contact with the milk at any point.
The moment this milk is arbitrarily the protein content, the bacterial count, and the somatic cell count in real time.
After milking, every cow moves to our enrichment area.
Our automated bathing system cleans every cow thoroughly after their enrichment period. Clean animals mean clean milk. Every batch is tested against 42 parameters before being cleared. If a single batch fails a single test, it does not move forward. Every tanker leaving this farm, and that record to milk all the way to the cheese factory, where it is verified again.
This milk left the farm at 4 degrees Celsius, and it will arrive at our factory. What happens next is where the real transformation begins.
The moment that milk enters our factory, it enters a completely sealed system. It will never be exposed to open air again until it becomes cheese.
We test every incoming tank plate, every time, with no exceptions.
These 6 silos hold enough milk to produce over 40,000 kilograms of cheese per day, and every liter inside every silo is. HTST pasteurization makes milk safe without making it flavor, kills after to 1/10 of it boring. The fat-to-protein ratio that adjusts advantage of the cheese. Cheddar, mozzarella, and Parmesan, all whatever cheese we are producing.
The starter culture is the soul of every cheese. The specific bacteria we add to the milk determines the flavor, the texture.
This is where 3 of the world's greatest cheeses are made. Cheddar, that is at a different stage, managed to exact specification. Adding the starter culture is a moment of commitment. From this point forward, the cheese has begun. Rennet is the enzyme that transforms liquid milk to critical variables. We hit every one exactly, every single time. The clean break test tells us that the curd is ready. A perfect 45-degree fracture means the gel structure has achieved. Curd cube size is one of the most critical variables of the target size, achieving perfect consistency. Cooking the curd after cutting is how we control the final moisture content of the cheese. The higher and faster we cook. Whey is not a waste product in this factory. It is a valuable cushion right there cheaper.
Cheddaring is completely unique to cheddar. During time, the pH drops, transforming the curd into genuine cheddar.
Pasta filata is the defining process of mozzarella. That curd goes into the machine as a granular mass, a glossy sheet.
Parmesan curd is cooked harder and hotter than when there's so much weight, it will make it established cheese and cone.
Milling transforms the compressed slab into these small, irregular chips. This dramatically increases so rapidly and uniform. Salt addition is precise to 3 decimal places in this factory, not because we are obsessive, but because salt content. The cold brine film be in a precise level of search in the brine bath. Each of these molds will produce a wheel of Parmesan weighing between 35 parts per millimeter, and by the time perhaps the weight is probably 30 kilograms. Pressing cheddar is a timed sequence. We start with light pressure to allow the curd surface to form a clean rind.
Our packing line vision system checks the seal quality optically on every container before it moves to the next station.
These wheels spend 20 days in this brine room, absorbing salt from the outside in while losing moisture from the inside out.
Vacuum packaging cheddar for aging is a precision operation. Once the cat off to prevent meal, the seal must be perfect. This warehouse holds over 200,000 cheddar blocks at any given time. Blocks at every stage of aging from 1 week to 3 years.
These wheels will be in this room for a minimum of 12 months before they can legally be called Parmesan.
The aroma of epidosum patcher, and this about the quality yet can reserve quality.
Our cheddar cutting system achieves dimensional accuracy to within 1 millimeter on every cut.
The marking on the rind is the wheel's identity document. It tells the world its origin, its quality, and allows complete traceability back to the source.
Our temperature-controlled system prevents melting, with precise particle size and nitrogen flushing for premium quality. Our clean-in-place system is one of the most critical pieces of equipment in this factory. Every vat is cleaned to pharmaceutical standards with automated systems delivering the swab test to meet our zero-tolerance standard. Environmental hygiene in a cheese factory is as important as equipment hygiene. Our automated floor scrubbers.
ATP testing gives us a result in 15 seconds that tells us whether a clean surface is truly clean at the biological.
Fresh mozzarella stored in brine is only as safe and high quality as the brine itself. Contaminated mozzarella sufficient where they need. Maintaining a healthy rind on an aging Parmesan wheel is an art as much as a science, the rate. This factory uses enormous quantities of water. We recycle over 60% directly back into responsibility. This lab at over 200 is the scientific foundation of every quality claim this factory makes.
Our program recipe is verified by rapid swab testing. with results documented for compliance.
Air quality management, our pot of precious purity, our targeting contamination, and costly spoilage. This laboratory runs over 500 individual tests every single production day.
Texture is one of the most important quality attributes of cheddar. The numbness of this matches fragrance stage of aging.
Our trained sensory panel is arguably the most important quality instrument in this factory. If a batch has an off flavor, this panel will find it.
Pizza mozzarella must meet strict functional performance standards, not just compositional, to determine how the mozzarella melts, stretches, and color in a pizza.
That process takes a minimum of 48 hours for fresh mozzarella and longer for aged cheeses.
The sound of a Parmesan wheel tells you everything a clear valid tone inside.
Statistical process control is the difference between reacting to quality errors continuously and preventing them.
Every consumer complaint that reaches this factory is a gift selling about our statistical sacks and terror with the terminal clauses who safe incident.
Our HACCP system identifies 7 critical control points in cheese production. This review verifies every point is monitored correctly and every corrective action is completed. Complete forward and backward traceability within 4 hours is a legal requirement in our market, but we can achieve it in under 60 seconds. In this hall, we meet you to a different specification in the same building. No other facility in the world does this.
The start of a cheddar run is when his meal must comes together. From this moment, it is Cheddar zoning is to provide the perfect conditions.
At full capacity, our mozzarella line produces 1,000 kilograms of fresh mozzarella per hour. Collecting Parmesan curd from the vat is still done this way, with linen and muscle, because the factory that produces is so... Our vat hall operates on a staggered schedule. A new vat is started every 45 minutes.
From this moment, we know where this block is at all times.
Our inline vision system checks every single mozzarella ball for surface cracks, irregular shape, color defects, and can be possible. Parmesan is under continuous pressing pressure for a minimum of 24 hours, starting at light pressure to allow the wheel.
We sample every batch of aging cheddar at defined intervals to verify it's on track. Running 3 cheese lines rivals air traffic control. Our system integrates milk, cultures, equipment, deliveries in real time, optimizing every resource flawlessly.
This hall produces over 2,000 individual retail and food service portions every hour. Modified atmosphere packaging extends the shelf life of our cheddar by 2 to 3 weeks without any preservative extender in the packet. Parmesan portions must be vacuum packed to the highest standard. The cheese is too expensive and too light packaging to before it. Our labeling system applies over 15,000 labels per hour and across all 3 cheese product lines.
This checkware and metal detector station is the last line of defense before our products are packed into cases for distribution.
Our robotic palletizing system builds over 100 pallets per hour across all 3 product lines.
Every pallet in this warehouse is at the exact temperature its product requires. Cold chain integrity is non-negotiable.
Distributing fresh mozzarella, aged cheddar, and ambient Parmesan, our system meets cold chain standards.
40 trucks leave this dock every morning. Every truck is pre-cooled and every load is sealed to its target temperature.
Every truck that leaves these docks this morning is carrying the result of extraordinary precision. The precision of... In 11 years, we've never had a temperature deviation or a mislabeled product. Their consistency is genuinely exceptional. This factory produces over 15,000 tons of cheese per year, and our ambition is to mark the bottom front. We welcome over 20,000 visitors every year. Transparency is one of our core values. We have nothing to hide and everything to share. Fresh mozzarella from this factory is genuinely extraordinary to work. The stretch, the moist expected.
We invest in research because the cheese industry will look very different in 10 years. This center is where we stay ahead, developing new products and improving processes. The knowledge in this industry took centuries to develop. Our apprenticeship programs exist to ensure textbooks does not diminish. We export to 27 countries across 5 continents, each with unique regulatory requirements for cheese. Our team's meticulously zero.
Our premium gift range represents the pinnacle of what we do here.
We have built radical transparency into every pack of cheese we produce. Any consumer anywhere in the world can scan the QR code. Our
food defense is crucial. We use physical security, access control, CCTV, tamper-evident packaging, and staff training. I have been making cheese in this factory for 35 years. The technology has changed enormously. Our AGV system has traveled over 2 million kilometers inside this factory since installation. This factory supplies fresh mozzarella to hundreds of restaurants and retailers. Our continuity product ensure we're beyond our customers. 3 cheeses, 3 completely different processes, 3 completely different stories, 1 factory, 1 standard. From farm to finished product, our cheese reflects our caprolness less. We are honored you joined us today. See you next time.